All right, we're gonna try this again. Can you guys stop running for a second? Slow down so you can be in the video, yeah? We're talking about thinking bigger. What does thinking bigger mean to you, Michelle?
Growing your mindset, thinking outside the box.
Okay.
And
Anything
such.
else?
I don't know.
Arthur, what does thinking bigger mean to you?
I think, like Michelle said, it's growing your mindset incrementally over time. So
Now, if somebody doesn't think big and they want to think big, can they go from thinking little to thinking big right away?
no, you have to start small.
Why?
Ladder effect. It's like steps.
Why?
You gotta take the first step before you can see the second step.
Wow, what do you think about that, Michelle?
I agree.
You
100%.
agree? So in order to think big and become a bigger, person? Bigger thinking person, you gotta think little. You basically have to think little to think big.
You start thinking little,
Steps.
and then you start thinking
Goals.
bigger.
Steps and goals.
Yep.
You'd start thinking little, step, and next thing you know, you're at the top, and now you're a big picture thinker. Anything you want to add to that, Michelle?
That was beautiful.
No, that was
She has nothing
fabulous.
else.
Does Arthur have anything to add
Amazing.
to that?
Nope.
All right, that's how you start the process of thinking big.